along with that, there are two treatments. One is the external treatment and another is the internal treatment. The internal treatment, we give a lot of classical Ayurveda herbs, which is really giving good results, and it really goes to the baseline foundation and the root cause, and it tries to nullifies all the doshas in the body, and it gives a complete balance in the body constitution. And along with that, this external therapies, we can give a lot of therapies externally for this people who are suffering with skin lesions, and along with this leech therapies and all, it gives a very good results. The most important thing is you need not be dependent on medications, or you need not be worried that this skin lesion is spreading throughout other parts of the body and it is giving a very difficult time in your routine life. It is affecting you cosmetically and it is putting you some sort of difficulties like itching or rashes or discomfort while in your routine life. All these things can be avoidable when you are trying to use this sort of a medical approach. Let's always understand there is two treatments in our side. As humans, we are entitled to have two treatments. One is a modern medicine, other one is a traditional medicine. If you understand which treatment is the best for a particular time, for a particular disease, for a particular individual at a given point of time, and if you use this, then you are in the safe place and you are in the safe care and you are getting the best results for that point of time. So we are complementing both the system of medicine and giving you the best results. Looking forward. Thank you.